Before using AudioStream for the first time, you need to configure it. This video shows you how to do that with an iOS Apple device.
Before pairing AudioStream with your iOS device, download the latest version of the Audio Key 2 app and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure AudioStream is turned off by removing it from your audio processor. Open the Audio Key 2 app, press the menu in the upper left corner, and open Connectivity Options. Select AudioStream and then Configuration. If you have one AudioStream, select the side you wear it on. If you have an AudioStream on each side, select both left and right. Tap Next. Then slide the AudioStream cover completely over your audio processor. Place it next to your phone and press Next. If it fails to configure, move the audio processor closer to the phone. Slide the AudioStream cover off and on, and press Try again. If you want to use the AudioStream on both sides, repeat the previous steps with your second audio processor. Leave the first audio processor switched on during this. Next, enter a username with 7 or fewer letters. Only letters from the Latin alphabet can be used. Then tap Save. A Bluetooth pairing request screen will appear. Tap Pair. Repeat this for your second AudioStream, if you have one. Once it has paired successfully, tap OK. Exit the Audio Key 2 app and go to the settings on your iOS device. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Then Hearing Devices. Tap on the section under MFI Hearing Devices. After a few seconds, it will indicate that it is connected. AudioStream will connect automatically whenever it is switched on, and your phone has Bluetooth enabled.
Now you're ready to start streaming music and phone calls directly to your audio processor.